Let's be honest, recruiting is 10% interviewing and 90% trying to remember what the heck happened in those interviews. Candidate after candidate, your notes start blurring into one big spreadsheet of, maybe? But what if AI could handle all the note taking and let you focus on actually hiring the right person? In this video, I'll show you how Bluedot, the AI note taker built for busy professionals, is changing the game for recruiters. Less admin, better notes, smarter hiring decisions. Do stick around because by the end, you'll wonder how you ever hired without it. Here's the reality for most recruiters. You're running back-to-back interviews, jotting notes while trying to stay engaged, and then spending hours typing them up afterward, hoping you didn't miss something crucial. And let's not even talk about the post-interview brain fog. Oh, wait, was Sarah the one who mentioned leading that data migration project, or was it David? Exactly. Enter Bluedot. Bluedot is an AI-powered meeting assistant that captures, transcribes, and summarizes your calls, whether it's on Zoom, Meet, Teams, or even a phone call. No bots joining your meetings, no awkward explanations to candidates. Just clean, accurate notes delivered directly to your inbox, Notion, CRM, or ATS via Zapier integrations. You can even create interview templates like STAR or technical evaluations, so your summaries are structured exactly how you need them. It's like having an assistant who never misses a detail and doesn't need coffee breaks. Imagine finishing a full day of interviews and already having every conversation summarized, key insights highlighted, and your ATS updated automatically. You're not drowning in admin. You're not second guessing what a candidate said. And best of all, you're making faster, more confident hiring decisions. That's what Bluedot delivers: clarity, speed, and peace of mind. If you're wondering, okay, but how hard is this to use? It's literally one click. Just install the Chrome extension, start your call, and Bluedot takes it from there. You don't even need to tell your candidate it's happening. It works silently in the background. Let's face it, recruiting is already tough. Your tools shouldn't make it harder. If you're ready to stop scribbling and start hiring smarter, do give Bluedot a try. You'll find the link in the description to get started for free. Oh, and before you go, what would you do with the extra hours you get back if note-taking was off your plate forever? Think about it and let me know in the comments. Do like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more recruiter-friendly tools and tips, and share this with someone who really needs to stop typing during interviews. Thanks for watching and happy hiring.